Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink router unreachable. If your Starlink shows router unreachable, it means your phone or app cannot communicate with the Starlink router. Look at the Starlink router and confirm it is plugged in. The power light is on. If there is no light, unplug it, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. On your phone, go to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and make sure you are connected to the Starlink Wi-Fi network. If you are on mobile data or another Wi-Fi, the app will show router unreachable. After that, unplug the router from the power, wait for 1 full minute, then plug it back in. Wait 5 minutes for the system to fully restart. You can also check the cable running from the dish to the router. It is pushed in infirmally on both ends. Loose or damaged cable are a common cause. Turn off your phone, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on and reconnect to Starlink Wi-Fi. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.